Look what came to my front door. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a test of the Steelmade Flat Top Griddle Junior. One of the biggest concerns that we get about this product is the size and that it covers all the burners. The Junior allows you to have 2 burners free and use the flat top on the other side and available. So now you get to boil water and for your pasta or something, steam your vegetables, and still use the flat top griddle for anything else you want to use. I am so excited to try this out for you guys. The products from Steelmade are amazing. I'm going to leave a link in the comments below. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have questions, leave them below in the comment section. Let's get to the kitchen. Hi, Layla. Okay guys, here we are in the kitchen and this is the unboxing of the Steelmade Flat Top Griddle Junior. Let's open it up and take a look. I hope you are as excited as I am. Awesome. So it comes with instruction manual. Oh, and there's something in here. There's something in here, so let's take a peek. This is the instruction manual. Oh, cute. And it's the grease trap. So, and it's protected, the flat top is protected in this paper, so we'll get it out. In addition to the cardboard that protects the griddle, we have a plastic covering that protects it, and I already noticed the size difference. This is smaller than the standard griddle that I already have, the full size, and it's also lighter, so I'll be able to move this around if I need to. But I shouldn't need to because we're gonna have burners on the side to use, and this can just stay on top of my stove for anytime use. Let's take it out of the wrapping. You may notice a coating of oil on here. This is normal. This helps protect the griddle and make it non-stick. Let's get it to the stove top and see how it fits. Perfect. I have the Griddle Junior on the stove and it fits perfectly. I love that I have all of this cooking space. In addition, I have the 2 eyes open. If I need to boil water or use it for anything else, it's here. Just to show you, you can have one pot in the back and one in the front. That looks amazing. I'm ready to get cooking. This is the regular size drip pan and this is the Junior drip pan. I'm going to show you how to install it. The first thing you want to do is take out the grills and then just tuck it up underneath, and it fits perfectly right there, so all the grease and everything can drip into the drip pan. Let me go over a few specifics about this griddle, the Junior. The first thing is you need to have a 5 burner stove for this to work. It can be gas or electric, but it needs to be 5 burners. The normal size griddle is about 30 inches and this is 21 inches. You can see how it takes up about 3/4 of the space. I'm going to show you a picture of the full size griddle that I own, compare it to the Junior. You can see that it's 3/4 the size. The full size is $169 and the Junior is $139. The full size griddle is 30 pounds and the Junior is 20 pounds, which makes it easier to move if needed. Before even trying this out, I can tell you that I'm already excited because I think for my family and what we need, this is gonna be more versatile. I still get the griddle space, and I also have the eyes available for me to use. This just seems like it's gonna be a good fit for us. If this is your first time ordering a griddle, I highly recommend, along with your Griddle Junior, to go ahead and get the starter kit. It comes with the cooking utensils, 2 bottles for your oil and water, and then it also comes with your flat top oil, which gives it a good clean seal when you're done cooking and cleaning. And then it also comes with a flat top scrub, so if you have a hard time cleaning some places, this gets it up really good. So the price of all of this would be about $189. According to the instructions, you should wash the griddle front and back with a mild dish soap and then dry it completely before preheating. It's time to test it out. We are going to start by turning the burners on low. As it comes to a higher temperature, we're gonna add a little bit of oil. And then to that, we're gonna add in our bacon. And the bacon grease is what gives it a really good seasoning. You do want to turn on all the eyes under the griddle, that way it heats evenly. Otherwise, it could warp if it's heated unevenly. We are going to apply a thin layer of oil and let it sit on the griddle for about 10 to 15 minutes at 300 degrees. I recommend getting a thermometer that is digital and you can see exactly what the temperature is. So we've got 136 all around. So we're gonna let that heat up to 300. We're also gonna apply some oil and we're gonna let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So we've got our oil on. Go ahead and take your spatula and spread it around. We're getting closer to our 300 degrees. We've got the oil spread over the griddle very evenly. We're gonna let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It is normal for it to smoke a little bit. After a few meals on your flat top, you'll see the entire surface transform into a cast iron-like appearance. The low maintenance finish has amazing non-stick properties that cleans easily. Can you tell I just read that from the manual? It's been about 15 minutes. As you can see, it has started to season a little bit, and that is exactly what we want. Now we're going to add the bacon. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a small lip on the front of the griddle. This allows for the bacon grease or any type of oil or grease to not spill out over the front and into the trap. It also allows for airflow for even cooking and delicious, tasty, juicy food. As you can see with the junior griddle, there is still plenty of space to cook for a large group of people. I'm gonna move some of the pieces that are undone to a hotter zone. All right, it's time to get the bacon off. Tonight we're making patty melts and we want to use the bacon grease to cook on and cook with. But I don't need this much, so I'm going to use my scraper to remove the excess bacon grease. These patty melts are really coming together. We've got our bread and cheese. We're gonna add our bacon. Our burger. And the lid. Amazing. So good. All right, time to plate it up. Let's cut into this and see how it looks. Oh my heavens. Woo! That looks amazing. All right, what are your impressions overall? Mine is 2 thumbs up because this is awesome. The reason it's awesome is because I have the space to cook anything I want to on the flat top, but then I can have a pot of water or something else going that I need to. It's so versatile. I highly recommend the Junior. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, I'll leave the link for the Junior in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and stick around for the bloopers.
Yeah.
Ready? All right, let's get to the kitchen. I can't
Open the door.
Hi, Layla. All right, it has a plastic protecting, but it also has another coating on the Steelmade, on the flat top griddle itself. There's a protective coating that it will burn off when we heat up the stove. What's it called? The eyes, the griddles. When we heat up the, what's it called? I noticed that it is smaller in size compared to the standard gas. And the first thing I noticed is that it's significantly smaller than the standard griddle that I have, or that I. The first thing I notice is, nope. The first thing I'm gonna do is heat it up, and the best seasoning to get this to be a non-stick coating is gonna be bacon and bacon grease. So we're gonna sear up some bacon so we can get a good coating on it. What'd you say?
Yeah.
Let's try it out. I find,
That was good.
really? Let's try it out. I found that oh my gosh.